Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel, bringing you guys another video. I'm here with Moaz.
There we go. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? He's a little tall, so I gotta get on my tippy toes.
Oh yeah, I need to get on this level for him. But anyways, guys, so today's video is actually gonna be super crazy. We actually have been talking. So I don't know if you guys know who Jonathan Weeks is. He has a 335i and he makes videos on all types of BMWs. But we've actually been talking to him, and finally we agreed on a deal, and we're actually gonna go pick up a F30 335i.
Let's do it, guys.
I'm gonna buy his 335i from him, so it's pretty cool, pretty crazy.
I'm hyped personally. I'm just a little worried about the drive back.
Yeah.
So what? 6-hour drive back, approximately.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
Hey, we're ready. We're ready, guys.
But yeah, guys. Yeah, we'll get on with the video.
Let's do it. Just arrived, you already know.
Yes,
We actually arrived like 10 minutes ago, but he went to use the restroom.
What's in 10 minutes?
I know. Oh wait, there's good lighting. Yeah.
I got that.
I was on the escalator already, bro. Oh my god.
Oh wait.
Well, I'm not used to this. We're not used to escalators, okay, guys? Okay, guys. We're actually in the.
We didn't even do it.
I know. That's the funny part, but. Oh wait, there's no good lighting. There we go. Yeah, we're actually in the whip right now, guys. Look at that, dude. It's pretty clean, guys. Right?
Yes, sir.
Alright, what's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. So this might be a little bit weird for you guys, but
the new Noah right here.
yeah, the new Noah right here.
The better Noah.
Anyway, guys, so as you guys can see,
what's up, guys?
It's his video. It's literally his video.
Yeah.
They're actually buying my 335, which is really sick. Super hyped that you guys are buying it.
Yeah, we're getting it from my younger cousin over here. You guys know Moaz. He's been on the channel a few times.
We're excited. You already know.
Bro, I can't believe you guys are out here.
Huh?
Bro, I can't believe you guys are out here. You guys actually flew out.
How far is it? Like 500 miles?
It's a 500-mile drive back.
Probably.
Yeah,
400,
so
maybe
we flew 500 miles to buy a 335i.
That's crazy. That's
Hey,
super
that's a
sick.
thumbnail right there.
That's a thumbnail right there. But anyway, guys, this is my quick little cameo for this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this car. I've really taken good care of it, so I'm glad to see somebody who actually will appreciate it, instead of somebody just giving me cash and driving off and not caring about it. But now you guys actually get to see it on this channel, so I'm really happy about that. So anyway, I'll give it back to Noah.
Alright guys, so we purchased the 335i from Jonathan, as you guys can see in the car right now. Moaz is driving.
Sir.
Bro, congrats on the car, by the way. The car looks super freaking good. I love this car. Anyways guys, we didn't really record much of the whole Sacramento trip just because honestly, we just bought the car and we were just enjoying the time, bro. Jonathan and Nick, we met up with Jonathan Weeks, obviously, and we met up with Nick Built It. They were super cool. We hung out with them for a little bit. It was just all in all like a good time. I just didn't feel like really recording much. We were just enjoying our day. We don't really do trips like this quite often, and we were just enjoying the time. So we bought the car last what was it?
Like last night?
It was like around 4 o'clock when we finished the whole deal. We right after that trip we went straight down, and midway through we stopped by our cousins in Fresno, because if you guys didn't know, Sacramento is a 6-hour drive back home from OC, and yeah, that was just too much. We were running on like 2-3 hours of sleep. We were dead, bro. So we stopped by our cousins in Fresno. It was like a 3-hour drive to Fresno. So we stopped by there, spent the night, enjoyed our time, ate breakfast, went to the shooting range. We just we had a good time, bro.
It was quite fun, honestly. So.
Bro, really, bro, this trip,
it was a vibe. Yeah, but right now, as you can see, we're back on the road, heading home. Back on the road finally.
It's the next, what is it? It's 3 o'clock, bro. We left pretty late.
Yeah.
We still have like a 3.5 hour drive back.
3 hours and 50 minutes on the clock. Oh my god.
Oh man.
Trust me, I'm gonna be only driving for like another 30 minutes. He's gonna take over because I'm just like that.
he's not used to the long drives, bro.
No, I'm not.
Anyways, so yeah, we have a 3.5 hour drive back down home, and yeah, we're gonna be losing sunlight soon.
Ready for the wash?
Yes, sir.
No.
Damn, this looks good.
What?
This looks so good from this angle.
I know, I'm like dumbfounded still.
Crazy. Hey, I'm gonna make a U-turn real quick.
Why not?
I kind of like this color.
Oh, two F30 335I.
I'll use it right now.
God, bro, the turbo spool. Let me park it real quick.
Hey, let me get it. What's up, guys?
What's up?
I was gonna say, let me get that camera and see you reversing.
Alright, go ahead, let me see.
Do it. His fan's going crazy right now. Sir.
Just finished the wash. I'm here with Moaz and a friend of mine, Zed. Taking a picture of the cars, bro. Look at the lineup real quick. We got Moaz's new car, the F30 335I. Bro, this color is so beautiful. Oh my god. Got the 440. Got Zahir's 335i. He already did the M Sport conversion on this, so it looks super sick. Hell yeah. Silver, all different colors,
It's
bro.
like a new iPhone color right here. We got silver,
black,
and then rose gold right here.
rose gold. Oh my god.
Even though it's kind of funny because I looked at the spec name, it's called like onion.
I think it's like Orion. It's like Orion silver. Orion silver.
Silver. Not silver. Silver. It's some German stuff. I don't know.
Doesn't say silver though.
Silver? It says silver with a B.
I don't know.
I read it right now.
I don't know, bro. Oh my god, look how clean she looks right now. He didn't do the best job, but like,
The best clean, I mean,
quick wash, quick wash.
I just real quick.
My god.
Shiny.
The lineup, oh man, look at the booties. Look at the booties. Bro, you need to put a spoiler on ASAP, because this looks a little bit naked right now. I don't know about you guys, but this looks a little naked to me. We got back last night, but it was a little too dark to record anything. We woke up early in the morning, washed the car, did a little montage. Bro, I'm super happy for you, bro.
Thank
this
you,
car,
I appreciate it, bro.
This car is super beautiful, bro.
I can agree.
It looks way better in person if you, man, like you guys need to see this in person.
Camera does not do justice. I can almost swear on that, but it doesn't do justice.
Bro, it feels so freaking good to be back, man. I missed my car, and he just wanted to show the car to his friends. He showed it to his parents. I'm glad they loved it, bro.
That's personally my favorite thing, because if my parents didn't like it, then it wasn't worth it in my opinion.
Yeah, but the trip, well worth it. We had a great time.
It's well remembered.
Yeah, huge shout out to Jonathan. Super cool, genuine person. But other than that, that's the end of the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, let me know what you guys want to see. And yeah, peace out.